everyone, I am here to teach the basic knowledge for the physics. So I am going to give you some formula related to physics. So please see my video. In physics, for numericals, you all have to know the formulas. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Area of circle pi r square. R is equal to radius. Mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass kg into meter per second square is the SI unit of acceleration. Force Newton. It is denoted by capital N. Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273 degree. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass kg by meter cube. Kg per meter cube. SI unit of density. SI unit of density. Density into volume is equal to mass. Density kg by meter cube into volume. SI unit of volume is meter cube. Meter cube cancel. So SI unit of mass is kg. Density by mass is equal to volume. Whenever we have to find the volume given density and mass, we will put the formula this: density by mass is equal to volume. Density kg by meter cube into kg. Celsius unit of density gram per centimeter cube. The value of G, gravity, is experimented. The value is 9.8 Newton or 980 dynes. So whenever anyone asks what is force or define force, so force is defined a push or pull acting on a body. Area of a square side का whole square. Volume of rectangle L into B into H. So define effort. So effort is defined as the force applied to a machine to do mechanical work. If anyone asks you to define or what is effort, then you can say that effort is defined as the force applied to a machine to do mechanical work. Now I am going to next load. Load is defined as the force which is to be overcome. Load is defined as the force which is to be overcome. Fulcrum is defined as a fixed point about which the machines can run while doing mechanical work. So fulcrum is defined as a fixed point about which the machines can run while doing mechanical work. If anybody asks you mechanical advantage, so mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort is the formula. So we can define mechanical advantages is defined as the ratio of load to effort. Mechanical advantages is defined as a ratio of load to effort velocity of sound is equal to 332 meters per second. Velocity of light two 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement by time. Displacement we can write in meter, time in second. Second square. So SI unit of velocity is meter per second square. Distance is equal to what? When given speed or time. So first upon we will write the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. From here we can write the formula of distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed we are writing meter per second square, and time we are writing second square. So second square is cut. So meter is left. So SI unit of distance is meter. Don't confuse here. SI unit of distance is equal to meter m. This is the formula for the beginners who are now begins the study of physics. That means for the class standard 6 or the class standard for the 5s.